Hello Jutta family! So, part 2, we're taking our dogs, they've never been out. That's a very funny crew. Are we going for a walk to the lake? Look, first time on the leash. With visitors we're on the way. They're doing great. At the beginning they was a little bit shocked, but now it works. Oh, jumping bean. These two nice people from Germany are very interesting about Benny. This is one from the Piraeus rescue puppies from the mountain. He's doing very, very good. And I fall in love with jumping bean. And she is the coolest one. How's she doing on the leash? Really good. Look, this is our view.
Hello. Hello.
That's a good part to be trained. So I will update you later. The 3 dogs are doing good together. And they all need a home as usual. Look how beautiful, beautiful fur babies.
Das erste Mal draußen sind.